Oh,
Yeah. So do you want to do the first the sum array thingy?
yes.
Okay.
Uh, you're on my screen, right?
Yeah, I see your uh
Okay, great.
your Cloud9, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
did did you want me to code first, or did you want to code first?
No matter how you like.
Oh,
I thought you'll start coding.
okay, sure. All right. Uh, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm not using the either the array function or the enumerable functions. I think inside the video they had using like array inject or array reduce. But
Yes,
I'm just gonna do it
yes, yes.
the old. I'm just gonna iterate over the array. Okay. Save. And then I think the test was.
Do you have access to my bash terminal?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. So I think that'll do. That's the first one.
Hmm. Great.
Oh, you're raising an exception here? Or
Just tried it from the video. Was practicing. Just can
oh,
comment it out.
okay.
It passed anyway.
All right. So I guess your turn.
Okay. And the second one, I also didn't like the method that was used in the video on the tutorial. It was very super minimalistic and cryptic for me. I just used the old style. So find max sum of like this sum is equal to 0, then times forget. Like this. first find the maximum,
Okay.
and then as soon as I find it, after first iteration, I'm going to add it to the sum. And then I'm going to remove this element from the array. Delete, add, array, index. I'm not sure whether I spelled this function right. So, and then return the sum. Let's try it. Part 1. Oops. Bunch of mistakes. In this mode, if I open a new window, will you be able to see it?
It depends on what you're sharing.
I'm sharing just one window, the Cloud9. So it just will stick to the one.
I think so.
For example, I opened the new tab. Do you see it?
Okay, I see it now. Yeah, I see. I mean, you've opened up a new tab in your browser, so I guess you're sharing the browser.
Yes, Ruby docs.
Okay.
I misspelled. Oh.
Oh, what are you trying to look for? I mean, I know you're trying to look within the documentation.
Yes, I'm trying to look for check it for the index. I'm not sure whether I write it correct.
Okay, I got you.
This documentation.
Mm-hmm.
Am I somewhere?
Let me see. Yeah, I usually just go to Google and I put in Ruby documentation and then I click on whatever the link.
Yes, I was doing, but it took me to different rubydoc.org.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm looking at the array.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Yes. Index. No, that was right. Then
Yeah, delete it.
yes. In delete expects the index. I give the index, so it was also right. So why the code is incorrect?
I think this will probably work, right? If there are, you know, 2 elements or something like that within the array, or one. But like if you have an empty array, will
You mean take a copy of the original array?
No. I'm trying to think of the I don't the type of input, you know, like what it might work for or what it might not work for. So
You
what
mean
if you were passing in an empty array with this whole thing, you know, would it start complaining and give you all, you know, some of these errors, or I don't know.
Return 0 if array is empty. In this one?
Okay.
It's fewer mistakes. Set.
Oh, now.
Did it pass?
Well, okay, so the 4 failed.
Max.
Now it's failing for the case if there's only one element in the array.
Okay. We can take array one element array.
Okay. Yeah, so I think the
just one element.
The sum, yeah, I think that's passing now, isn't it? Oh no, max.
No. Mistake is same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's passing now. I mean, there is no such function as maximum to sum.
We haven't worked on it yet.
Yes.
Okay. Can I show you what I did? I mean, it's essentially kind of like what you did. It's just.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Sharing experience is the most valuable of pair programming.
All right. I got too many windows open here. Okay. All right. So. I'm just going to put it underneath here. What's the multi-line comment? Does it begin and end or something?
No, I think that there is no in Ruby multi-line comment.
It is. Hang on. Let me Google it.
Yes, sure, of course.
Ruby multi-line comments. Begin and end. Got it? Got it.
Did you find it?
Yeah, it's like. Okay.
Trying.
I copy and paste from two different windows. Let me see. Okay, so you can see it. Yeah, just setting a default of like the total just being nil or nothing, and then if it's kind of like what you had up there. So in series, if it's empty or nil, make total 0. As far as if array is empty or array is nil, make total 0. And then here, if array has 1 element, I just return that element. So it's like the same thing where you were testing if the array length was 1.
Yes.
And then just the first element, or array index 0, whatever. It's the same thing. Otherwise, returning the 2 largest, instead of going through, like your double for loop and you
sorted it.
Yeah, I sorted the array first, and then took the sum of the last 2. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. It's smarter than my way. Much smarter.
No, it's not smarter. It's just a different
and easier.
I think the internals, the actual things of what we were doing are the same. It's just the way that it's written out is different. That's all.
Yes, that's it. It's easy. Good. Thank you very much for sharing.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I guess it's my turn. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so here's this. Let's look and see. And so while there's more than 1 element in the array, I'm going to take the first element of that array and take it off, and save it into the variable called friend. And then I'm going to add, that I'm going to iterate through whatever's left of the array and, sum it or add those 2 numbers together. Otherwise, if we're able to get out of this while loop without returning true, then I want to return false because it's obviously it didn't make it.
No option left. Yes.
All right. Sum to n is the only one left. So. Oh, duh. I didn't save it. Oh. Save the file.
What?
Do it again. Yay!
Yeah, very good. I have a question. For example. Okay, sorry. I didn't scroll it down. I didn't see the false one at the last one statement. Sorry.
Oh, okay, that's all right.
Okay. Good. Shall I pass what I did for this example?
Let's see.
It's almost the same.
Mm.
Yes. So
Okay.
that's just I take it immediately from the function. I just, if this single element, if there is only one element in the array, return false. Then I make a loop that will loop for one element less than the real size of the element. So I will loop through them. Then, so for example, if the size is 7, I will loop 6 times because as you did, I'm going to remove the first element from the array. And then I'm going to compare it to the required sum with each element in the array through my loop.
Yeah.
So the logic is similar.
It's the same. Yeah.
Yes. So that's my turn.
Okay.
So what was this example is about? This example was about define a method, text string, represent name, and return string with the name, right? So it's easy is left for me. So I'm going to return interpolation like hello and make name like this. All I think. I'm going to run the part 2. So it kind of
Yeah.
This is
So the
not
first so that won't work. I guess you could also
okay.
for running those the specific test for the hello. I also do that.
So, hello, execute partially, right?
Yeah. So you only partially run some of the tests inside the spec.
So here I have to write the method name, which one I'm going to, right?
I don't. I guess we're supposed to learn how to do our spec later. So maybe.
Okay, thank you for mentioning.
So let's see. It starts with consonant. Take a string. Return true if it starts with a consonant. False otherwise. Consonant is A, E, I, O, U. Make sure it works both upper and lowercase, and for non-letters. Okay, so but I usually start out some sort of the variable. So the Boolean variable. I guess I'm going to return. I'll set it to empty. Now, if the check for an empty string. Otherwise, if it's empty, then I set the match as false. Otherwise, I take the first character. and then I downcase it for the. And I check to see if that character one, if that character is actually a letter. And then if it's not a letter, the match is false. Otherwise, we then check to see if it is. I could, okay. Since I did it this way, I'm just going to write it down. I mean, I could also do it with the car one match. Well, maybe I'll do it that way. Can't type. Yeah. No. No.
I have a question. For example, in this part, I don't understand this part. For example, is a char will return you only the first character of the string?
Pardon. Hold on. Which part? Or I can't see what you're saying.
I tried to highlight it. Do you see my highlight?
Oh, because I'm in somewhere else. Okay, I got you. Yeah.
This one, s.chr. This chr method returns to you the first character of the string, right?
Yeah, I think. Or did I get it wrong? Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Let me. Let me double check on the Ruby documentation.
So just in IRB, let's try.
Oh. Yay. You're smart.
No, absolutely not smart. Yeah, yes. Do you see my terminal? Other window? Is it visible?
Yeah.
I mean, this terminal, Ubuntu terminal, it's visible, right?
No,
right? So,
but you can use the terminal. Yeah, you can use that one.
I switch here then.
Yeah.
So I say my name is Roland and CHR. So it returns the first. Yes.
Yeah.
Who didn't know that method? Did you try the tests? Did it pass?
I'm trying to find out what I need to type for the test.
But if to follow your logic.
Yeah, I see what you got. Okay, hang on.
Like this?
Yeah. Sorry. No, you got it.
this, maybe like this. Let's try it.
Oh. Okay, so I got a couple failures. All right, maybe I'll. So I know where it's probably wrong.
Let's see.
It's probably wrong in here. Because the way I did it before. Oh. Duh. Let's do. Yeah.
Yes.
The wrong logic.
Yes. We were checking for vowels in the
Yeah.
example band, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And I didn't want it to be a vowel. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Oh, is that it? I think is that all now, or is that it?
Yes, I think it's enough, right?
No, there's one more. There's one more function.
One more function.
Oh, no. They get that binary multiple of 4s, and then we have the books the class definition to do. So we still have some work.
Yes. Just a moment. So in this example binary, what I did, I pick up first I converted 100 numbers from one side and observed these numbers that were divisible, decimal numbers that were divisible by 4, and I saw that all the numbers divisible by 4 in binaries ends with 00.
Okay.
So that was my logic. So if it then I said that multiple by 4, like this. So whatever the string is given to me, if the range of the last two elements of the strings is 0, 0, so it is divisible by 4.
No, okay.
That's my logic. And then there is one exception when I have to return 0 if the string's length is equal to 0. Yes, if the string is equal to 0, sorry, because the 0 is divisible by 4. That's why 00 is not working for a single 0 condition. You also have to match. And one more exception that in order to pass the test was to check whether it is binary or not binary. The string must consist of only zeros and ones. So I did it like this: return false if has, sorry, and I gave a regular expression, states 0, 1. So if it's not 0, 1, I return false. or if length of the string is also 0.
Okay. Oh, so returning 0 is like returning true then up there. Huh.
Yes.
The first line. Yeah.
Do I have a mistake in my code?
No, I don't think so. I think it looks good.
For example, it says
Oh, yeah.
syntax error, unexpected.
Oh,
I think I
the second pair.
Yes. Like this, right?
Yeah.
Disappeared. So I'm going to try that function to pass my some my codes.
Syntax error someplace? Oh, no, that's for the next part, the stuff we haven't done yet, is it? Or how come?
But I used the part. Did I something wrong? RSpec binary multiple of 4, part 2.
Yeah, that should be. Hang on. Binary multiple of 4. Yep. What doesn't it like?
It's not working.
Yeah, it's some sort of syntax or runtime error or something.
Maybe I just not run the partial. Let me try running the full part 2.
Okay.
Because let's finish it.
Yeah, so we got the same error.
It says cannot block.
Some sort of block or some. Okay, can we try some? Yeah, I just want to.
Okay.
I just want to see if it's this line. So if we run.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I guess not.
But it says the problem is not in the.
But in the gems thing, or.
Not in the gems. Maybe we. Just a moment. Let's open the spec file. Double click it.
Oh, well, wait a minute. For me, because I ran the test without saving the file, so of course. Of course that will be a problem. All right, yeah, so something on that, the syntax on that line it didn't like.
So let us recheck it. My computer, it was working. What if we separate it? I save it.
Okay.
It says classifies valid binary numbers. For input 0, so single element 0. Maybe. Sorry. I got my mistake. I put the second if, where I just have to make the only or. Was if, you see, this one. It was redundant because two ifs on the same expression. Syntax error. Same incorrect
Did you
result.
save it? Or did you save the file before running the thing? Because I always do that.
Let me try again. Oh, I save it and run it again.
Okay.
Problem. Didn't work.
Okay. Oh. How about that?
Yes. Save it.
Okay.
Run. Oh,
Okay.
it's bad.
Yeah, it helps if you put a string if you're trying to match a string.
Yes, a lot.
Okay, so what do we got now? Just the book thing, right?
Yes, just the bookstore. I was put the getter and setters first.
Sure. You want to do that? That's easy.
I just don't remember what we have to put. Getter and setter and something with the price. We have to return price as a string.
Right. So getter and setter. Okay. That should handle the getter and the setter. The constructor. Okay, so I'm going to check and see. Oh yeah, you got it advanced, huh? Talking to my daughter, sorry. I'm trying to check to see if you can convert whatever's passed in as ISBN as a string. And then the same idea will raise an argument error. So this is the 2F, right? Converting the string to a floating value.
Yes.
That should be that.
So
Doesn't like it.
it probably not constructor.
That wasn't a constructor?
For example, I think there have to be a dash symbol in the beginning of
what?
Before constructor. I think, do we have to write it like this?
Oh, I don't.
The previous hello was with the dash.
Yeah, but I'm looking at in the README, and it's saying just to run it as.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you're right. No, it looks like with the hash.
Different.
Yeah, I think with the hash you do the when it's a definition or something like that, or a function. That's when you put the thing.
Let's check it. Unexpected end of input.
Does that one work? Oh. Okay. All right. Am I cutting and pasting or something bad? Okay. Control V and then line. Let's try spec. Let's see. Oh, the. Hmm.
Maybe we just
You type something.
not partial run, maybe the whole run, for example.
No, there's something. I typed something wrong. I did something.
There's error in the code. It says it, and maybe there is class and def and
Yeah, that's what.
maybe we're missing. Strange.
Oh. Can I? This should be okay, right? Putting.
Yes, because
Making out.
it says that there is a missing and or but and it's okay.
Right.
It's
It looks
closed.
like we should be okay on that. Does initialize have to be the first function or no? I mean I don't know about placement of these things. Just in case. I don't know. Yeah, no likey, huh? Oh, are you still there? Oh boy. Hello? Merlin? Hmm. Oh. Whoops. Help. Hmm. Uh, hmm. Hmm. 1, 2, 1.